Communication and collaboration is arguably the most important part of a successful business. If files are not being revision controlled correctly inside of a company or department, this can lead to miscommunication and poor collaboration. What if engineer A is working on a file and creates revision 2, but the manufacturer is producing revision 1? Poor data management is a major problem across many companies, whether it's sending files via email for approvals, manually changing custom properties like revision or drawn by. These manual processes lead to human error and misaligned information. Thankfully, the 3D Experience platform gives us the tools to properly manage our data. Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Using the 3DSpace application, companies can create a space for their users to work in. This space is permission controlled, so the administrator can control who is allowed to do what. Think of saving files to this collaborative space as adding items to a bucket. Once in that bucket, all files are on the same level, or basically don't use a folder structure. Non-CAD files can be saved to a collaborative space just by dragging and dropping the file into that collaborative space. For CAD files, on the other hand, they need to be saved from their native program. In our case, that's going to be SOLIDWORKS. But how do we find these files once they're in that bucket or in that 3D space? This is where we can use other 3D Experience applications in tandem with our 3DSpace application. Apps like the bookmark editor can be used to tag files with bookmarks to make them easier to find, almost like adding it to a folder. Once these files are in the collaborative space, they can be controlled and managed by using the collaborative lifecycle application to move them to different stages of their approval process, as well as create major and minor revisions. Tasks and routes can be created by using their respective applications to create engineering change-like processes. The main goal of the 3DSpace app is to create a space to save files that can be managed in a PDM-like setting. Using a combination of these data management applications, a formal PLM-type environment can be set up to manage and control your data while collaborating internally and externally with your company's data. If you like this video and want to learn more about data management, check out our 3D Experience Data Management course. Thanks for watching.